What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another ride along. We're coming to you from Center City, Philadelphia. Currently, we are on Arch Street. We're going to head towards 95 and head up to the northeast section of the city. We are at 3rd and Arch. We are going to make a right onto Arch Street. Looks like we got some police activity up ahead. Not sure what that's all about. Not a good thing. There's quite a few police cars up there. Now turning on 3rd Street. See what's going on here. We are going to turn right onto Race Street. And then that will take us to Interstate 95. Passing Bridge Street. Here's 2nd Street. And up ahead will be the ramp to 95. I know it says south on both of these signs. Believe it or not, there is a ramp right up here to the left that takes you to Interstate 95. Here we go, on the ramp to 95. So check this out. It is 5:17 in the morning, and you can see on the left that's southbound. Look how many people are going into town already this early in the morning. Coming into the newer section of the newer rebuilt section of 95 here now. They're working on this for many, many years. And later on we will see more construction where they are still working. That's nice. No turn signal on that Honda. And also no turn signal on the person weaving in and out of lanes to the left. There goes the speeder. That alley is going way over the speed limit. Nothing new on 95. And now we're out of the rebuilt area. Back to the old bumpy sections of 95. The bumps only get worse up ahead. Once we approach the Betsy Ross Bridge, it will get really bumpy. Which is where they are still working on 95 and will be for the foreseeable future. Alright, here we go. Hang on, it's going to be a bumpy ride. Actually not as bad as the southbound side, but still pretty bumpy here. Here comes a whole bunch more. Used to be a Harbison Avenue exit back there, but they have now shut that down permanently. You have to use Aramingo Avenue. And here's where they are still doing road construction. They will be working on this for the foreseeable future. Eventually, it will be nice and widened, back to at least 4 lanes once again. So that should be very nice. Here comes another speeder. Not sure where they think they're going to go because their gap is getting closed. And it is double with solid white lines, so no passing, but they do it anyhow. Coming up on Cottman Avenue pretty soon, which is where we will be getting off. That person is going way too fast, weaving in our lanes. That is one way to cause an accident. Pretty sure you heard that vehicle. Loud muffler as well. Alright, here's the Cottman Avenue off-ramp. This exit just reopened a few weeks ago. This exit was closed and the roadway was narrowed to 3 lanes because there was a tanker truck that caught fire last year. And that truck that caught fire did some serious damage to the road. 95 did collapse. And luckily this off-ramp is reopened. Looks like it's back to 2 lanes once again as well, which is a very good thing. This was down to 1 lane just recently. We'll see if it's 2 lanes straight through to State Road. Already approaching Cottman Ave and State Road. In the Tacony section of Philadelphia now. Our next major cross street after this will be Torresdale Avenue. That truck either has a lot of scaffolding or way too many ladders piled up. And they're all piled straight up in one pile. Okay. Coming up on Cottman and Jackson Street. We already did pass Torresdale. Frankfort Avenue will be coming up relatively soon. Passing Cottman and Cottage Street. Cottman and Walker. Cottman and Edric, and we will stop at this red light. It's like he went right through the red light. See here, it is dead red. Coming up next on Cottman and Frankfort, and we'll run this video till we get to the boulevard. Then I will let you guys go. Coming up on Cottman and Roland Ave. There goes another car weaving lanes. Not sure what they actually gain out of that. Cottman and Sackett Street. Getting close now to the boulevard. Just a few more traffic lights. There he goes. He weaved out of the lane again. Not sure you could see it that time. coming up on Browse, and then we will hit the boulevard. Alrighty, here is the Roosevelt Boulevard. And why don't we continue for a little bit longer, shall we? Up here is the Roosevelt Mall on the right, which they are doing a complete remodel of the mall. One of these days we're going to do a ride through the mall. Won't be a very long video, but we'll just ride through the parking lot, take a look at the changes, see what's going on there. Check it out. You can see here, they are still doing the construction on the right. Here's Cottman and Bustleton Avenue. We are going to cross Bustleton. Up here on the right where this Giant is, this is a new Giant. That at one time was a Sears, and there was a Farmore downstairs, if I remember correctly. I think the name of the store was Farmore. That store closed in the late 90s or early 2000s. And up where it says Raymore and Flanagan Furniture Outlet, that, believe it or not, there used to be a Toys R Us next to there. There also is a Bob's Discount Furniture, I believe, is still in here as well. We'll see if it's still there. Burlington is there. Yeah, Bob's Furniture is still here. It's up on the sign. Cottman and Castor Avenue. We're passing what used to be known up here on the left as Woodrow Wilson Middle School. They have now changed it to Castor Gardens Middle School within just the last few years. Coming up on the right pretty soon will be Northeast High School. And that is where we're going to leave you off. If you enjoy these ride-along type videos, hit that like and subscribe button down below, and hey, hit that share button as well. I don't always do videos, but once in a while we still do these ride-along videos. I thank you for watching this video, and I will see you all again next time. Have a great day.